Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link is in the description. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. We're about to see what's inside and see what they sent me for review. So thank you guys, wherever you are. Oh, baby. Kind of looks like Transformer. Hey now. Ooh. Now this is something cool. I would suggest you guys to start buying these more, because the way the world's going, certain things are gonna go up in value, and this would be a perfect one. Bmax mini PC. A lot of PC parts are gonna go up, and it's going to be more pricier for desktops, laptops. So this is the new way to go. Perfect timing. We got the Bmax. Definitely excited. We'll do a setup and all that good stuff coming up shortly. So here we go. This is what you get when you get it. Dig it. A little thank you card. It's always good to get a thank you card. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. HDMI is a must. So you could use these on tablets or portable screens, projectors, you name it. External screens. And here we go. We got a mounting bracket. Here is a beast. I got some weight to it. You can download stuff, watch movies, social media, and all that good stuff. Edit your own videos. Editing software you gotta download, you know. We'll check the specs and all that good stuff towards the end. Ooh. Bmax. Look at this bad boy. Got some ports. Got the HDMI, DP, more USBs. You can hook up your mouse, Bluetooth, and everything else is good to go. And what was this? After. I like this. Kind of like a holographic spin to it. So it looks like I'll be setting this up tonight. And then we'll be doing a whole shebang review on this thing. So definitely click the link. Like I said, they already been saying on social media and on the news that computer prices are going to be going up in 2026. So I would suggest you to look into it, and if there's something up your alley, definitely click the link down below. See? And of course you get the screws. A lot of people on TikTok have been promoting other brands, but this is the first one I got. I had a couple other ones at the beginning of the year, but this is supposed to be a really good one. Definitely excited. So like I said, click the link down below, and I'll be back. Bmax. We are good to go. And of course we got the basic setup right now. I gotta go find your country, language of choice. So here we go. Now we got this set up. English and all that. Here we go. Then of course you're gonna name your PC. That's the next step. And of course create a password. That's coming up. See, it says hello. Getting things ready. And a jiffy. Any second. Uh-oh. We'll be back. Oh, it's crazy. It's almost like my Lenovo desktop settings almost. Got that there. And you can use Chrome, Edge. I like using Edge, so. And here's the layout. It has a Ryzen So definitely you can use this for gaming. Easy to use. Settings. You can change the screensavers. You can download Bluetooth so you can have another soundbar. Gaming. You can have your gaming controllers, game bar, and all that good stuff. Let's see, Windows update. We're gonna have to do that. Check for updates. That's gonna be, yep. That's gonna take a minute. Oh, I gotta connect to the internet. Okay, turn the Wi-Fi and then on. Also, there we go. Okay, we'll be back. And now we are connected. And now we're gonna do some updates. So here we go. We got it all synced up with my other email. And now we are live. So, really smooth. If you're looking at the market for a new computer, this is definitely a good one. And now I'm at Microsoft Edge. I can finish setting it up. There we go. Hold up. And there we go. You can build your feed and everything. So I got my sports and wrestling and everything else all right there. But yeah, you can do pretty much everything. So this would be perfect for this coming up school year, or if it's started. You guys, good luck. And like I said, check them out. Bmax, not the dirt bike, but Bmax. That's what it is. Bmax. Really sweet, easy to store away. You could definitely take it on the road with you. Do some quick YouTube edits, vlogs, whatever you need to do. Great for podcasts. So, very affordable. Especially, like I said, computers, desktops, and all that good stuff. They're going to be up in the rise in prices pretty soon. Most likely 2026 will be the start of the price increase for laptops, computers. So, definitely check them out. Bmax. Link down below. Take it easy.